Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today is a requested video tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make Spanish latte using a French press. So we're going to make it in 3 different cup sizes. So for those with coffee shops or those who are wanting to make a smaller or larger size, this is the video clip to watch. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip. Let's take a look at what we need to make this iced Spanish latte using French press. Of course, we need our French press. I'm using a 1 liter French press here, and we are going to use a dark roast coffee beans. I prefer this for my iced coffee, especially if I'm going to use French press or cold brew. Only 3 ingredients: your coffee, your milk, and the condensed milk. The proportion that I use for concentrated French press brew is 1:10. This method is also very similar to making cold brew. So if you're making cold brew using French press, you can use the same proportion, you can use the same coffee beans. The only difference is that we will use hot water to brew this today. But if you're making it cold brew, then you can use room temperature water and brew it overnight from 12 to 18 hours. Okay, let's start by grinding our coffee. For a French press brew, we need an extra coarse ground coffee. So I'm going to measure 100 grams of coffee beans into my bowl here. On my grinder here, if you have the same grinder, then go as far as 16 or even 18. You can either grind it into your bowl or you can grind it straight into your French press. So I think I want to be fast here, so I'm going to grind straight into my French press. Now this beaker can be taken off, so I'm going to take it off and grind straight here. Okay, all 100 grams of coffee beans there, and look at the grind size of this one, extra coarse. Fill this to the top because this is a 1 liter French press, so I'm going to use hot water. Now this is the tricky part. I normally give it a stir, but then I've been watching recent videos on YouTube and some of them say do not stir. This time I'm not going to stir it, just to find out whether it actually makes a difference. Okay, so I am going to put the plunger just right here, and then I'm going to time it 10 minutes. I don't want to make it too fast. If you're making it hot, then you have to make sure you only use 4 minutes, but this is going to be ice, so I'm going to brew it for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Now I'm not going to push the plunger all the way down. I'm just going to push it a little bit so that it will filter the coffee out, and we're going to start by making my 12-ounce cup. We start with my brewed coffee, 90 ml or 3 ounces. To this add 1 ounce of fresh milk. Condensed milk, 20 ml, so this is 15 ml per pump. Stir to combine, and what you see here is quite dark. We are going to finish it off later with milk foam. For my 16-ounce cup, I am going to use the same measuring cup here, and for this I am going to use 120 ml of my brewed coffee. To this I am going to add 1 ounce of fresh milk, 1 ounce or 30 ml of my condensed milk. 1 pump is 15, so I'm going to pump 2, and this is now my Spanish latte mix for my 16-ounce cup. Give it a good stir, make sure it's well combined, and now to pour my Spanish latte mix over. Now we're going to make my 22-ounce cup here, so I'm still going to use the same measuring cup here, 150 ml of my French press brewed coffee. There you go. And again, I am going to add 1 ounce of my fresh milk, bring it up to 6 ounces or 180 ml. Condensed milk, I'm going to use this time 45 ml. That will be 3 pumps, 15, 30, and 45. Give it a good stir. I am loving the color of this blend of coffee, and pour the mixture over. Then I have my 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces, and we're going to finish them off with milk foam. Now I'm going to make my milk foam here. I'll put my milk in an ice bath. Okay, so now I have my milk foam, and we're going to finish off this drink with milk foam. Okay. Okay, so there you go. Very easy to make. Using French press, you can make your iced Spanish latte quite easy. And I still have a lot left here, so I'm going to make other drinks with this one, okay? Well, I am going to try, which one? Wow. It has a little bit of that smoky taste because this is a strong blend of Arabica and Robusta. So definitely bittersweet coffee complemented by that condensed milk and of course that very strong brew of my French press coffee. Wow. If you'd like to make Spanish latte, yes, you can make them using cold brew. You can also use instant coffee. You can use the espresso. You can use mocha pot. And the recipe is quite similar. But with cold brew and with French press, you need more coffee than milk. So if you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know. Comment below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, if you'd like me to cover anything in my future video tutorials, do let me know. I am always looking for ideas and also what content you might be interested in, and I will try my very best to comply with your request. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.